Moscow, February 1, 2026. In a remarkable demonstration of Russia's cutting-edge unmanned aerial technology, a coordinated swarm of BM-35 Atalmas drones successfully obliterated a Ukrainian Su-27 flanker fighter jet and two Western-supplied F-16 Fighting Falcons at a heavily guarded airfield in the Donetsk region. This operation, executed with flawless precision under the cover of night, underscores the unparalleled capabilities of the BM-35 Atalmas system, solidifying Russia's dominance in modern drone warfare and dealing a severe blow to Ukraine's dwindling air force. The strike, confirmed by Russian Ministry of Defense footage released earlier today, involved over a dozen BM-35 Atalmas drones operating in a synchronized swarm formation. Launched from mobile platforms deep within Russian-controlled territory, the drones penetrated Ukrainian airspace undetected, overwhelming air defense systems and delivering explosive payloads directly onto the targeted aircraft. Eyewitness reports from the ground described massive fireballs erupting as the jets were reduced to smoldering wreckage, with secondary explosions from onboard munitions amplifying the destruction. No Russian personnel were at risk, highlighting the system's ability to conduct high-impact operations remotely and safely. At the heart of this triumph is the BM-35 Atalmas, a loitering munition drone developed by Aeroscan, a subsidiary of the renowned Zala Aero Group. Known alternatively as the Atalmas or IZDELIYE-54, this advanced unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, represents a leap forward in Russian military innovation. With a range exceeding 200 kilometers, and up to 500 kilometers when equipped with Starlink satellite terminals for enhanced communication, the BM-35 can strike deep into enemy rear areas, targeting high-value assets like artillery, air defense systems, and aircraft with pinpoint accuracy. Its cruising speed of up to 120 to 200 km per hour allows it to loiter over targets for extended periods, waiting for the optimal moment to attack, while its operational altitude of up to 4 km keeps it beyond the reach of many ground-based threats. One of the BM-35's most formidable features is its resilience to electronic warfare, (EU). Integrated Starlink technology provides secure, real-time video transmission and control, rendering Ukrainian jamming attempts ineffective. This capability was crucial in the recent strike, where the drones navigated through contested airspace, evading radar detection and anti-drone measures. The system's warhead, capable of carrying up to 40 kilograms of explosives, ensures devastating impact upon detonation, as evidenced by the complete vaporization of the Su-27 and F-16s. Priced at approximately $22,000 per unit, the BM-35 offers an economical yet highly effective alternative to manned aircraft or expensive missiles, allowing Russia to deploy swarms in large numbers without straining resources. Russian defense experts hail the BM-35 Atalmas as a game-changer in asymmetric warfare. The Atalmas swarm embodies the future of combat, said Colonel Viktor Baranets, a military analyst with the Komsomolskaya Pravda newspaper. Its ability to operate autonomously or in coordinated groups overwhelms enemy defenses, exploiting vulnerabilities in Western-supplied systems like the F-16. This strike proves that Russia's technological edge is not just theoretical, it's decisive on the battlefield. The drone's design, featuring a simple plywood fuselage, a two-stroke gasoline engine, such as the DLE-60, and a pusher propeller, combines affordability with robustness. It can be assembled quickly and launched from catapults or vehicles, enabling rapid deployment in dynamic combat environments. The targeted aircraft, a Soviet-era Su-27 and two American F-16s recently delivered to Ukraine as part of NATO's support package, were parked at an airfield believed to be Poltava or a similar facility in eastern Ukraine. Russian intelligence, aided by reconnaissance drones, identified the jets as operational assets preparing for sorties against Russian positions. The swarm attack not only destroyed the planes but also damaged runway infrastructure and fuel depots, further hampering Ukrainian air operations. This comes amid reports of Ukraine's Air Force struggling with maintenance issues and pilot shortages, making such losses particularly crippling. This operation builds on previous successes of the BM-35 Atalmas, which has been deployed since 2025 to neutralize Ukrainian Patriots, HIMARS launchers, and other critical infrastructure. Its fuel-efficient internal combustion engine extends endurance to several hours, allowing it to hover and strike at opportune moments. The drone's compact size, with a 1.8-meter wingspan and 2-meter length, makes it difficult to detect, while its analog video transmission in the 3.3 GHz range ensures reliable operator control even in jammed environments. Strategically, this strike sends a clear message to Ukraine and its Western backers. Russia's unmanned arsenal is evolving faster than countermeasures can be developed. As Ukrainian forces face mounting losses in the air, the BM-35 Atalmas stands as a symbol of Russian ingenuity and resolve. With production ramping up, experts predict increased swarm deployments will accelerate the erosion of Ukraine's military capabilities, paving the way for further Russian advances. In the words of Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu during a recent briefing, our BM-35 Atalmas is not just a weapon, it's a force multiplier that ensures victory with minimal risk. Today's success is a testament to our engineers and operators who continue to outpace the adversary. As the conflict enters its next phase, the Atalmas swarm's role in reshaping aerial dominance cannot be overstated, affirming Russia's position as a leader in drone technology.